In today's video, I want to show you how to find your email password, your Facebook password, or any other social media password on your device. This is very simple. Under 1 minute, guys, you are good to go. Before you move on, guys, please like and subscribe to this channel. Open your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice. For the sake of this video, guys, we're going to make use of our Google Chrome. Once you put your Google Chrome, click on these 3 dots here. Then scroll down until you get to settings, click on it. Now at this side, click on autofill and password. Now that I've clicked on autofill and password, go ahead and click on password icon here. Once you click on password, you have yourself here and you have a lot of information here. So in the search bar here, type in Gmail or Google. Now it brings you to this interface, click on it. Once you click on it, you have yourself at this place. Now to access your password, click on this eye icon. Once you do that, guys, you'll be able to access your password, copy it and use it whenever you need it again. That's all, guys, on how to access your password on your laptop or desktop using Google Chrome browser. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.